Welcome all of you on Chemistry Study channel. In this video, we will study a topic preparation of aldehyde and ketones from unit number 12 aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. First method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone is from alcohols by oxidation of alcohols. Here we are using alcohol as a starting material, that is the reactant. Aldehyde and ketones are prepared by the oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols respectively. For oxidation of primary and secondary alcohol, we need an oxidizing agent which converts primary and secondary alcohol into a aldehyde or ketone respectively. These oxidizing agents are chromium trioxide or PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. When primary alcohol is a starting material and we are using a PCC or chromium trioxide, we will get aldehyde as a product. But when we use a secondary alcohol as a reactant and chromium trioxide as the oxidizing agent, we will get ketone as a product. Let's see with the help of equations. This equation shows primary alcohol on oxidation by using PCC form aldehyde as a product. For example, methanol on oxidation with PCC use methanol as a product. Next, secondary alcohol on oxidation by using chromium trioxide form ketone as a product. That is, propanol on oxidation use acetone, and acetone is a ketone. Due to COVID-19, this is deleted and non-evaluation portion for academic year 2020-21. Though it is deleted portion for this unit, but you have to study this point, because this point we already studied in oxidation of alcohol in chemical properties of alcohol and phenol from unit number 11, that is alcohol, phenol and ether. In that it is not a deleted part. There you must have to be studied. Hence, don't think that this is a deleted portion and that's why you can keep it for option. This is also an important part, but for unit number 11, not in a unit number 12. Next method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone is by dehydrohalogenation of alcohols. Here also we are using alcohol as a reactant, and by doing dehydrohalogenation of alcohol, we will get either aldehyde or ketone as a product. This is the industrial method. On passing vapor of primary or secondary alcohols over hot copper powder, it gives aldehyde and ketones respectively as a product. Let's see with the help of example. Primary alcohol on passing over a hot copper at 573 Kelvin undergoes oxidation and gives aldehyde as a product. If you observe the formula of primary alcohol and aldehyde, there is a difference of 2 hydrogens. In reactant, you can see here are 2 hydrogens are more, and in product 2 hydrogens are less. That is, 2 hydrogens are get removed, and because of that, this process is called dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. Let's see with the help of example. Methanol on oxidation using copper at 573 Kelvin use methanol as a product. Secondary alcohol on similar process use ketone. Here in example you can see propanol on oxidation by copper at 573 Kelvin form acetone as a product. Here also you can see 2 hydrogens are less, that means 2 hydrogens are removed. That's why this process is called dehydrogenation of alcohol. Next method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone is from hydrocarbons by ozonolysis. In hydrocarbon, here we are using alkene. Alkene means hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond. Alkene on reaction with ozone form ozonide, which on decomposition with zinc dust and water gives aldehyde or ketone or mixture of aldehyde and ketone as a product, depending on which type of alkene we are using as a reactant. Let's see with the help of general equation. Alkene which contain carbon-carbon double bond on addition of ozone in CCl4 as a solvent, that is carbon tetrachloride. Here it is using as a solvent, form alkene ozonide. Here you can see this ring structure in which ozone, that is thrice oxygen, is get added through carbon-carbon double bond. One oxygen forms that it is linked between these two carbons, and two oxygens are linked in between again these two carbons. Either this two may be upside or this one may be upside. You can write as your convenience. This is a ozonide, and this ozonide on decomposition with zinc dust and water form carbonyl compound, either aldehyde or ketone, depending on which type of alkene we are using. Here you can see that these curves are made for our convenience. This one part is get separated, this another part is get separated and form two carbonyl compounds, and the remaining oxygen is get combined with zinc and form zinc oxide as a side product. Let's see with the help of example. Here 2-methyl propene is used as a reactant. Here carbon-carbon double bond is present, that is it is a alkene, which on addition of ozone form ozonide. This oxygen is get entered through this carbon-carbon double bond and form this ring-like structure. Here you can see that this single oxygen is get linked at upside, and these two oxygen are get linked at downside. Then which on decomposition using zinc dust and water form acetone and formaldehyde as a product. Here by making this curve, it is convenient to understand or to form a product or to get which type of product is formed. So from this curve you can understand it can form CH3, C double bond O, CH3, that is the acetone. And from this curve you can understand that this hydrogen, carbon, oxygen and then hydrogen, that is the formaldehyde as a product, and the remaining oxygen is get combined with this zinc dust and form zinc oxide as a side product. In this way, by ozonolysis of alkene, we can form aldehyde or ketones or mixture of aldehyde and ketones as a product. Due to COVID-19, this is also deleted and non-evaluation portion for academic year 2020-21. Next method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone is by hydration of alkynes. Alkynes means hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon triple bond, and hydration means addition of water. So alkyne on addition of water in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuryc sulfate forms aldehyde and ketone. Here the condition is 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuryc sulfate. Let's see with the help of example. Ethyne on addition of water in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuryc sulfate forms vinyl alcohol, and this vinyl alcohol on tautomerization gives ethanol as a product. This water is adding through a carbon-carbon triple bond. Hydrogen is adding on this carbon, hydroxyl group is adding on this carbon. You can add in reverse way also because this is a symmetric alkyne. We will get the one product, that is this type of vinyl alcohol. Let's see what is tautomerization. Tautomerism or tautomerization is a reaction which involves transfer of proton in intermolecular fashion. That is, this hydrogen, proton means hydrogen, this hydrogen is transferring from this oxygen to a carbon by breaking oxygen hydrogen bond and by forming carbon hydrogen new bond. And here also new bond is formed in between carbon and oxygen. You can see here is a single bond, here are double bonds, and carbon-carbon double bond is breaking and forming a carbon-carbon single bond. So by tautomerization we will get the product. Let's see one more example. Propine on addition of water in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuryc sulfate form vinyl alcohol, which is again on tautomerization use propanone. But this time you can see propine, it is a unsymmetric alkyne. So when unsymmetric alkyne is used, the addition of water is takes place to Markovnikov's rule. That is, negative part of the reagent is adding on that carbon which having a less number of carbon atoms. So hydroxyl group is adding on this carbon and hydrogen is adding on this carbon, and we will get this type of alcohol, and which is on tautomerization, that is the shifting of proton from oxygen to carbon, use this propanone. Next method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone is from acyl chloride or acid chloride. In that, first we will study preparation of aldehyde. Acyl chloride is hydrogenated over a catalyst, and catalyst is palladium on barium sulfate. This reaction is known as Rosenman reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Let's see with the help of general equation. Acyl chloride having formula RCOCl, that means acyl chloride is a reactant, which is on adding hydrogen and catalyst palladium on barium sulfate form aldehyde as a product and HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, as a byproduct. For Rosenman reduction, remember acyl chloride is a reactant, hydrogen on catalyst, palladium on barium sulfate is a catalyst, and the product is aldehyde and byproduct is HCl. So by Rosenman reduction we can prepare aldehyde. Let's see example of this reaction. When ethanoyl chloride is used as a reactant on Rosenman reduction, it forms acetaldehyde as a product and HCl as a byproduct. Here you can see only the chlorine is get replaced by hydrogen, and the another hydrogen from this hydrogen is get combined with chlorine and form HCl as a product. And when benzyl chloride is used as a reactant, which is on reaction with hydrogen in presence of catalyst palladium on barium sulfate, form benzaldehyde as a main product and HCl as a side product. Here also chlorine is get replaced by one of the hydrogen, and another hydrogen is get combined with chloride ion and form HCl as a side product. Next we will study preparation of ketone. Grignard reagent on reaction with cadmium chloride form dialkyl cadmium, and dialkyl cadmium on reaction with acyl chloride gives aliphatic ketones. Let's see with the help of example. RMgX is nothing but the Grignard reagent. So two molecules of Grignard reagent on reaction with cadmium chloride form dialkyl cadmium, and 2MgXCl, this complex as a side product. Here two alkyl group from this Grignard reagent is get combined with this cadmium. In next step, this dialkyl cadmium is react with acyl chloride. The formula of acyl chloride is RCOCl. Here again two molecules of acyl chloride is used, and on reaction of this acyl chloride on dialkyl cadmium, two molecules of ketones as a product form, and cadmium chloride is formed as a side product. Let's see with the help of examples. Example shown from second step, that is two molecules of ethanoyl chloride on reaction with dimethyl cadmium form two molecules of propanone, that is acetone, and cadmium chloride as a side product. Here again chloride from this ethanoyl chloride is get replaced by methyl group. Second example, two molecules of benzoyl chloride on reaction with dimethyl cadmium gives two molecules of acetophenone and cadmium chloride as a side product. Here also you can see chloride from benzoyl chloride is get replaced by methyl from dialkyl or dimethyl cadmium. Due to COVID-19, this is also a deleted and non-evaluation portion for academic year 2020-21. Next we will study preparation of aromatic ketones. Aromatic ketones are prepared by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Acylation means addition of acyl group. Let's see what is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This is an example. Benzene on reaction with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 form 1-phenylethanone or acetophenone as a product and HCl as a side product. What happened in this reaction? Hydrogen from this benzene, we know that each and every carbon of this benzene have one hydrogen, So hydrogen from one of the carbon is get replaced by acyl group, that is the CH3CO group, and form acetophenone, and that hydrogen is get combined with chloride and form HCl as a side product. In this way, aromatic ketones are prepared by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Next method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone is from nitriles. Here, nitriles is using as a reactant. Nitriles means R C triple bond N. In that, first one is preparation of aldehyde from nitriles. Nitriles are reduced to imine hydrochloride by stannous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid, and which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. This reaction is called Stephan reaction. This reaction takes place in two steps. In first step, nitriles is reduced to a imine, and in next step, this imine on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. Let's see with the help of example. This is the formula of alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile on addition of hydrogen in presence of stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid gives imine hydrochloride. These two hydrogens are added through a carbon-carbon triple bond, and this triple bond is get converted into a carbon-carbon double bond. And in next step, this imine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis, that is hydrolysis means addition of water, and acid hydrolysis means addition of water in acidic condition, gives aldehyde. If you observe, it is quite simpler that to remember that only oxygen is added on this carbon, and this part is get removed and form this ammonium chloride. So you have to add only one oxygen on this carbon, and this part is get become a functional group of aldehyde, that is COH. R part is maybe any alkyl or aryl group, and the two hydrogen from the water is get combined with this compound and form ammonium chloride as a side product. Let's see with the help of example. When ethane nitrile is used as a reactant on addition of hydrogen in presence of stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid gives ethanamine hydrochloride. Here also hydrogen is added through a carbon-carbon triple bond, and in next step on acid hydrolysis of this ethanamine hydrochloride, ethanol is formed as a product and ammonium chloride is formed as a side product. Also, here also oxygen from water is get combined on this carbon, and two hydrogen from water is getting combined with this part and giving this product. Next, one more example, when benzonitrile is used as a reactant on addition of hydrogen in presence of stannous chloride and HCl gives benzanamine hydrochloride, which further on acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde as a product and ammonium chloride as a side product. Here this alkyl part is as it is, the carbon which is combined with the nitrogen is getting converted into a functional group of aldehyde. In this way, from nitrile we can prepare aldehyde. Alternative method for preparation of aldehyde from nitriles is by using diabal, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. If we use diisobutyl aluminum hydride as a reagent instead of hydrogen in stannous chloride in HCl, it also forms imine, and which on acidic hydrolysis gives aldehyde. Let's see with the help of example. Here this is the nitrile and the reagent used is a diabal, which is represented by ALH in bracket IBU twice, because diabal means diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and sometimes instead of this is also there, this symbol is also used, and by reaction of diabal with nitrile form imine, and imine on further acidic hydrolysis gives aldehyde as a product. The advantage of this reagent is that if double bond or triple bond is present in the reactant molecule, it remains as it is in a product. That means double bond or triple bond does not reduce to a single bond. It remains as it is. This is the advantages of diol. Next, we will study preparation of ketones from nitriles. Nitriles on reaction with Grignard reagent in dry ether as a solvent, followed by acid hydrolysis, use ketones. Let's see with the help of example. This is the example here. On reaction with methyl magnesium chloride with ethane nitrile in presence of dry ether, use this compound, which on further acid hydrolysis use acetone, ammonia and MgClOH as a product. Here this methyl group from Grignard reagent is bonded or linked on the carbon, which is combined with the nitrogen, and the remaining parties get combined with the nitrogen, and this compound is formed, which on further hydrolysis, that is the addition of water, the oxygen is get enter or combine with the carbon, and this parties get separate out and gives a acetone, and remaining part form ammonia and MgClOH. Let's see one more example. Benzonitrile on reaction with phenyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether gives this compound, in which this phenyl group from Grignard reagent is again combined with the carbon, which is bonded to a nitrogen by a triple bond, and the remaining part is, that is the magnesium bromide, is bonded to a nitrogen, which on further acid hydrolysis gives benzophenone. Again the same thing is happen, oxygen from water is combined with the oxygen, which is bonded to a 2-phenyl group or to a nitrogen by a double bond, and this parties get separate out and form a ketone, and the remaining part form ammonia and MgBrOH. In this way, from nitrile we can prepare a ketone. Next method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone is from aromatic hydrocarbon. In that, first we will study preparation of aromatic aldehydes by oxidation of methyl arenes using chromyl chloride. In this reaction, methyl benzene or methyl arene on reaction with chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide as a solvent form chromium complex, in which methyl group is get oxidized, and this chromium complex on further acid hydrolysis gives corresponding benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Itard reaction. Let's see with the help of example or equation. Here you can see this is a toluene, which is a methyl benzene, or we can say it methyl arene. Methyl arene or is nothing but the methyl group present on the benzene ring or a aromatic ring, which is on reaction with chromyl chloride in presence of carbon disulfide as a solvent form chromium complex, which on further acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. If you observe in this reaction, the methyl carbon from the reactant is get converted into a formyl group, and we get a benzaldehyde as a product. Chromyl chloride and presence of carbon disulfide as a solvent is a condition for this reaction, and this reaction is a name reaction which known as a Itard reaction. Next method of preparation of aromatic aldehyde is by oxidation of methyl arene using chromium trioxide. Methyl arene on treating with chromium oxide in acetic anhydride at 273 to 278 Kelvin gives diacetate derivative, which on acid hydrolysis form corresponding aldehyde. Let's see with the help of equation. Here similar methyl arene is used. Here the reactant is toluene or methyl benzene, which on reaction with chromium oxide in presence of acetic anhydride at 273 to 283 Kelvin form diacetate derivatives. There are two acetyl group or acetate group, so its name as a, or we can call it as a diacetate derivative. And this diacetate derivatives on further acidic hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde as a product. This is also a similar reaction like first one, where we use a chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide, which is named as the Itard reaction, and here the condition is chromium oxide in acetic anhydride, and the similar reaction is takes place, that is methyl group of the which is present on the arene or benzene is get converted into a formyl group. Next method of preparation of aromatic aldehyde is by side chain chlorination of toluene. This is a commercial method. Chlorination means addition of chlorine, and here also if you observe, toluene, that is the methyl benzene, is using as a reactant. Side chain chlorination of toluene use benzyl chloride, which on acid hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin use benzaldehyde. Let's see with the help of equation. Toluene on chlorination in presence of light use benzyl chloride as a product, and which on further acid hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin use benzaldehyde as a final product. In this reaction also, methyl group of this benzene ring is get converted into a formyl group, and we get a benzaldehyde as a product. If you observe, in all these three reactions, the starting material is same, that is methyl benzene, only the conditions are different. Next method of preparation of aromatic aldehyde is Gattermann-Koch formylation of arene. Here arene, that is the aromatic compound, is using as a reactant. Formylation means addition of formyl group, and we know that formyl group is nothing but the functional group of aldehyde. Benzene or substituted benzene, that means any alkyl group or any other group is present on the benzene, that is called substituted benzene. On treatment with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride, under high pressure use benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde as a product. Let's see with the help of equation. Here we are using a benzene as a starting material, which on reaction with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride under high pressure form benzaldehyde. Here this formyl group is get added to a benzene ring. If we use a substituted benzene, for example toluene as a reactant, then methyl benzaldehyde will be a product, because in this methyl group is not converted into a formyl group, but this formyl group is get incorporated or get added to a benzene ring. So in this way, by using Gattermann-Koch formylation of arene, we can prepare a aromatic aldehyde. Let's see how Gattermann-Koch formylation of arene is takes place. A question is asked, draw the structure of the product formed by combination of carbon monoxide and HCl. We know that the condition for Gattermann-Koch formylation of arene is aromatic compound or substituted benzene is get reacted with carbon monoxide and HCl and use benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde as a product. So first carbon monoxide is get combined with HCl and form this formyl chloride as a product, which get combined with anhydrous aluminum chloride and form this complex, which on reaction with benzene or substituted benzene use benzaldehyde or a substituted benzaldehyde as a product. In this reaction, hydrogen from the benzene is get replaced by a formyl group, and that hydrogen is get combined with chloride of this formyl chloride and form HCl, and aluminum chloride is get recovered. In this way, this formylation of benzene or substituted benzene is takes place, and we get a benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde as a product. Next, we will study preparation of aromatic ketones by Friedel-Crafts acylation of arene. Acylation means addition of acyl group, that is RCO group, to arene, that is the aromatic compound. When benzene is heated with an acyl halide or acid anhydride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, corresponding aromatic ketone is formed. Let's see with the help of equation. Benzene on reaction with acyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride form aromatic ketone as a main product and HCl as a side product. How this reaction takes place? So first, this acyl halide is get combined with aluminum chloride, and form acyl ion. This acyl ion is nothing but it acts as an electrophile, and it is get substituted by hydrogen. That is, hydrogen is get replaced by this acyl ion and will get aromatic ketone as a product. Let's see example. Benzene on reaction with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride form acetophenone or 1-phenyl ethanone as a main product and HCl as a side product. Here also hydrogen of the benzene ring is get replaced by this acetyl group, that is the CH3CO group, and hydrogen and HCl is get combined and form HCl, which is a byproduct of this reaction. A question is asked, use your brain power. Name the compound which are used for the preparation of benzophenone by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Draw their structure. Here the product is given, product is benzophenone, and we have to be name the compound which are used for preparation of benzophenone by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. We know that for Friedel-Crafts acylation, the benzene, that is aromatic compound, is a starting material. An aromatic compound on reaction with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives aromatic ketone. So this is our reactant, that is benzene. The condition is using anhydrous aluminum chloride, and this is our product, that is the benzophenone. The second reactant, that is acyl chloride, will be that compound which contains this part, that is benzene ring having carbonyl group. So our next reactant is benzoyl chloride. When benzene is reacted with benzoyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, we will get benzophenone as a product. In this reaction, hydrogen of this benzene ring is get replaced by this benzoyl group and form benzophenone. And similarly, hydrogen from which is replacing or which get replaced is get combined with chloride and form HCl as a side product. So the compound used for the preparation of benzophenone is benzene and benzoyl chloride. Next is preparation of aldehydes only from ester. Aliphatic or aromatic ester are reduced to aldehyde by using diisobutyl aluminum hydride, that is dival. The reaction is carried out at 195 Kelvin to prevent further reduction of the aldehyde produced. This is the equation showing the conversion of ester to aldehyde, and the condition or the reagent used is dival and further acid hydrolysis. And for prevention of further reduction of this aldehyde, the reaction is usually carried out at 195 Kelvin. Welcome all of you on Chemistry Study channel. In this video, we will study a topic, preparation of aldehydes and ketones, from unit number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. This is memory map showing method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone. First is preparation of aldehyde and ketone from alcohol. Alcohol, that is primary alcohol, on oxidation by chromium oxide or PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate, form aldehyde. Secondary alcohol on oxidation with chromium oxide use ketone. Similarly, primary alcohol on oxidation with copper at 573 Kelvin use aldehyde, and secondary alcohol on oxidation with copper at 573 Kelvin use ketone. That means primary alcohol form aldehyde on oxidation and secondary alcohol form ketone on oxidation. Next is a preparation of aldehyde or ketone from alkene by ozonolysis. Alkene on ozonolysis form ozonide, and ozonide on decomposition with water in zinc use aldehyde and ketone, or two aldehydes or two ketones, depending on which type of alkene we are using as a reactant. Next method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone is from alkyne. Alkyne on hydrolysis in 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate form aldehyde and ketone, or a aldehyde and ketone as a product. Next is a from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride on addition of hydrogen in catalyst palladium on barium sulfate use aldehyde. This is the name reaction called Rosenman reduction. Similarly, ketone can be prepared from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent on reaction with cadmium chloride use dialkyl cadmium, and this dialkyl cadmium on reaction with acyl chloride form ketone. Next is a preparation of aromatic ketone from benzene by Friedel-Crafts acylation. That is the addition of acyl group on benzene in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives aromatic ketone. Next is nitrile on reaction with hydrogen in presence of stannous chloride in HCl and followed by acid hydrolysis gives aldehyde. This is named reaction known as a Stephan reduction. Similarly, nitrile on reaction with diabal followed by acid hydrolysis gives aldehyde. This is the alternate method for Stephan reaction. An advantage of using diabal is that if double bond and triple bond is present in reactant, it retains as it is. It do not undergo reduction. Similarly, nitrile on reaction with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis gives ketone. Next is using methyl benzene, and this is methyl benzene on reaction with chronyl chloride in carbon disulfide and followed by acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Etard reaction. Toluene on further reaction with chromium oxide in presence of acidic anhydride followed by acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. Similarly, toluene on chlorination and followed by acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. For all these three reactions, the reactant is same, that is methyl benzene or toluene. Next is reaction of benzene or substituted benzene with carbon monoxide in hydrochloric acid and anhydrous aluminum chloride gives benzaldehyde. This is also a name reaction known as Gattermann-Koch formylation, in which formyl group gets substituted on benzene ring. And the next method of preparation of aldehyde is from ester. Ester on reaction with diabol followed by acid hydrolysis gives aldehyde. In this way, we can prepare aldehyde and ketones. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.